Hello everyone, how are you? Fine? Good. Welcome back to our English class of Standard 1. And today we are going to learn a new topic in English grammar. But before that, I am going to show you something. See, what is this? Yes, carom board. It's an indoor game, isn't it? I love to play carom board. I play carom board every day. And you know what happened yesterday? My friend Kali came and both of us played carom board. And again tomorrow we will play carom board together. Okay? Now, can you say which topic we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn about tenses. We are going to learn about tenses. See. And there are three kinds of tenses. Present tense, past tense and future tense. So today we are going to learn about simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Now, what do we mean by tense? Tenses are different forms of doing words. We have already completed doing words now. You all know what are doing words? And they tells us the time when the action takes place, when the things happen. Okay? Now, first of all, today we are going to learn about simple present tense. Now, what I told you, I play carom every day. I play carom every day. Today also I play carom just now. So, simple present tense, what do we mean by simple present tense? Simple present tense tells us the action that happens every day, means regular action, or the action that are happening now, the work that is happening now, what we are doing now. Okay, now I am talking with you. Every day I love to play carom. All these are simple present tense. Okay, now what I am doing with you? I am talking with you. I am teaching you. These all are simple present tense. The things that we are doing at present, now. Okay, now whatever we are doing, all these are simple present tense, or the regular habits, regular thing that we do every day. We go to school every day, we learn our exercises every day. I love to play carom every day. All these are simple present tense. Okay, now it is clear. Now come to the second topic, simple past tense. What do we mean by simple past tense? Simple past tense tells us the action that already been completed, already happened before. Okay? It tells the action that has been done in the past, the action that completed in the past. That is called simple past tense. See, what I told you, that yesterday, past, the already I played with my friend carom yesterday. Yesterday my friend came and I played carom with her. That means already that work is completed in the past, a day before yesterday. Okay, that is called simple past tense. Okay, now come to the third point, simple future tense. Simple future tense tells us the action that will happen later. That will happen later. That is not happening now. That not has been completed, but it will happen later. Okay? So, the tense, the simple future tense tells us that the action will happen in future. Okay? It will happen later. Not it is happening now, not it has been completed, but it will happen. Okay? See what I told you, that tomorrow again my friend will come and we will play carom together. Again tomorrow we will play carom. Okay. Now here are few examples of simple present tense. I play carom every day. I play. It is my regular habit that I play carom every day. I go to school every day. I eat my breakfast every day. I go to sleep at 9 o'clock every day. These all are regular habits. Every day we are doing. Ria writes well. Ria always writes well. The boy kicks the ball. Now, the boy kicks the ball. The boy is kicking the ball at that time. Okay? At that time. In that present time. The boy kicks the ball. These all are the examples of simple present tense. Simply we add s or es to the doing words. See here, play, writes, kick, all these are doing words now. So we simply add s or es to the doing words in simple present tense. Okay. Now, simple past tense. Simple past tense tells us that the work completed before. The work, the action happened before. Already the work is completed. Okay. Already the work is completed. In past, I played carom. I played carom. Ria wrote well. Ria wrote well. Means she is not writing now. She wrote well. Already she has completed writing. She wrote well. I played carom. I played carom in the past. The boy kicked the ball. The boy kicked the ball in past. Yesterday or day before yesterday, whatever, he kicked the ball. Already the work is completed. Okay. So, this is simple past tense. Okay. Now, the third one, simple future tense. Simple future tense tells us that the action will happen later. It is not completed, it is not going on, but it will happen later. Okay. I will play. I will play carom. I am not playing. I haven't played. I will play carom. Ria will write well. Ria will write well. The boy will kick the ball. The boy will kick the ball. So we add will or shall to the doing words. To the doing words. We add will and shall to the doing words in simple future tense. So in simple future tense, we add will or shall to the doing words. See, play, write, kick, all these are doing words and will is added to the doing word in simple future tense. Okay, it's clear to you now? So students, now it is clear. In present, simple present tense, we add s or es to the doing words. Okay, in simple past tense, we add ed to the doing words. And in simple future tense, we add will or shall to the doing words. Now it is clear to you?